Good morning, my YouTube fam. I'm on my way to Zlatibor and I'm taking you guys with me. Let's do this. Welcome back to Blondie Insider, where you can have it all is not a choice, but a lifestyle. Don't you love that? I am heading to Zlatibor to visit my family and to spend a few days over there. They say that the entire Serbia is over there right now because it is a big state holiday, so everyone goes to vacation in Zlatibor. I'm gonna be spending a few days going to the spa, doing some treatments, doing some shopping, some family time, and just hanging out. And can't wait to show you guys my part of the world. So I arrived in Uzice and this is my first stop heading to Zlatibor. Going to meet my brother and his fiance. We're gonna go grab breakfast in our favorite cafe, and this is the city where I grew up in. This is my big little brother. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Are you excited to see your sister?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
After like
Finally.
5-6 months of not seeing each other.
Oh, I missed you so much.
Okay, do you want to tell your name for my vlog?
My name is Veljko.
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 And that's...
V-E-R-J-K-O.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just
They say Veljko.
Veljko. Yeah.
In the United States.
And the view. This
The view.
is like the Serbian finest city.
Funny reference, love it. Tell us where we're going now.
Now we're going in
To that little cafe. Let me see if I can zoom
the
in.
Vagoon,
The
the
Vagoon.
train cafe.
We're heading there. That's where we'll have breakfast.
Yeah.
Look at the zoom. Zoom's so good. And yeah, that's gonna be fun. Uzice. This is the world famous Komplet Lepinja. Show us how you're eating this.
Delicious.
Tara, do you want to introduce yourself for my vlog?
Okay.
Yes, and can you tell us where you're from?
Serbia.
Serbia. How old are you?
13.
13. And who was that?
My friend.
Your friend. Oh, nice. Your friend. Do you like Uzice?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why do-
Kraljevo is so boring, don't come to Kraljevo.
Why do you like Uzice? Why?
Because it's not boring like Kraljevo.
Oh, and what makes Uzice so special? You don't know? You don't know. How about Zlatibor? Do you like Zlatibor?
I like Zlatibor.
Okay. Bye. Turkish bathroom, salt room, biosauna, sauna, and showers. The place is stunning, and it has this beautiful modern design and open layout.